Hello guys. In the previous video, we cover installation step of React.js. Now, in the today's video, we are going to cover file structure and Hello World program explanation in React.js. So we created one project inside this React folder that is Hello World. Now, open that project into any text editor and preferably using Visual Studio Code. So in this video description, you will find the link how to download this Visual Studio Code. So just click on it and install this Visual Studio Code. So after opening this, you have to click open folder, then select Hello World program which we created. Now this is our Hello World program. Now as you see that if you want to run this program, what you have to do, you just again have to open your terminal. Windows user will open their command prompt. Then we have to move to our project directory, that is cd desktop, cd react and cd hello world. So hello world is our project directory, and if you want to run this program, you have to write down npm start, that is node package manager start. So you know that our project is getting ready, and they are saying edit src app.js and reload it. Okay, so this is our project structure. Now package.json is the most important file which contain all information of your project, dependency and other things into your folder. Then there's one more file, that is readme.md. that is, this file is useful when you upload your project to the git or github or gitlab. Then what information will show inside your files, so this information is coming from readme. Then git ignore is the file, that means while you upload your project to the git or github, then they will ignore this file, that is node modules. So node modules as nothing but there are some packages or libraries when this library will get installed when your project is get ready. Then there are two more folders, that is src and public. So we have to focus on into src first, into src app.js. As you see, there are predefined code is present here. So let's delete all that code and run code one by one. So first of all, you have to import your React library. So you have to write down import React from React. Then you have to there is a one logo.svg present. So if you want to import that logo, you can import it. So you just have to write down import logo from dot slash logo.svg. What is the meaning of dot slash? That is nothing but the current directory. Now create one function, that is function and app. So always prefer function name same as with your file name. So function name app, inside this function we are going to write some code. Then after creating function, you have to export this function. So export default app. So this is the basic structure of any React.js application. So inside this function, you have to write down return. Then what are you going to return? You can use your HTML tags here, but you just have to understand in the React.js you are using JSX, that is JavaScript XML. It is used to write tags with HTML. So how to use it? Suppose I am writing h1 is equal to welcome to HTML, and if I save this program and if you move to this, you will get welcome to HTML here. Then if you want to apply predefined CSS styles which is present into app.css, as you get app.css, there are various styles present, app which is text align center. If you want to include this, first of all you have to include app.js into this folder. So how you can this? You just have to write import then dot slash app dot css, and after writing this, suppose I am creating one division here, so you have to write down div, and inside this div normal HTML thing, if you want to call a class, you have to write down something like this: class is equal to, and our class name is app. But in the React.js, you have to write down class name. So if I save this program, and you can get that welcome to HTML. If you want to include that logo, then you have to use img tag. So how you can use it? You just have to write down img. Make sure you have to close it here, and inside this you have to write down src, and our src, that is image, is coming from this logo. So you just have to write down this logo. If you run this, then you will get whole new big logo. If you want to add css, then in this there is a one app logo. So just call that class, that is class name is equal to app dash logo. So in the app dash logo, they give it as a height is equal to 40 mm. So you can get that our logo is placed. So guys, this is the basic hello world program and file structure of React.js. So stay tuned, subscribe our channel and click bell icon to get more updates.